Remember when Google gave you answers? Search engines are collapsing under the weight of SEO spam and ad overload, and artificial intelligence, tools like ChatGPT aren't just replacing them, they're burying them. In this video, we're diving into how AI is destroying search engines and what it means for how you'll find information in the next 5 years. Google answers about 8.5 billion searches a day, but a growing number of people aren't using it for answers anymore. They're asking ChatGPT instead. In just the last year, the way we find information has shifted more than it did in the last decade. This video explores how AI tools are quietly replacing traditional search engines, why it's happening, who stands to lose, and what comes next. When Google launched in 1998, it had a simple mission: organize the world's information and make it universally accessible. And for a while, it nailed it. You'd search something and boom, relevant, clean results. No fluff, no distractions. But as the internet exploded, so did a new industry: search engine optimization. Suddenly, websites weren't just made to help you, they were made to rank. Clickbait titles, keyword stuffing, entire blogs written for bots, not people. And Google, it leaned into it because more time on search meant more ad revenue. The result? A search engine that feels less like a tool and more like a game you're constantly losing. Over time, search stopped feeling like discovery and started feeling like digging through digital junk. The results weren't answering your questions anymore. They were selling you something, so people adapted. They started adding words like Reddit or YouTube to their searches just to dodge the SEO garbage. But that was a patch, not a fix. What we really needed wasn't a better search engine. It was a better way to ask questions. Then came something different. You didn't type keywords, you asked a question, and instead of 10 blue links, you got an answer. ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, these tools didn't just search, they understood. They gave you summaries, suggestions, even context. No more sorting through articles just to find one paragraph of value. No more clicking on a page only to get hit with ads, pop-ups, and 3 cookie warnings. For the first time in years, it felt like tech was working for the user again, not advertisers. It's not just that Google is full of ads, it's that people, especially younger generations, don't want to sift through a wall of blog posts to maybe find something useful. They want real experiences shared by real people with real opinions, fast. That's why Reddit, TikTok, or YouTube are showing up in more and more Google searches. Communities offer something search can't: context, emotion, trust. Want to know which camera is best for travel? You don't want specs. You want to see someone who actually used it in a rainforest and didn't regret their choice. Google's trying to catch up with things like AI overviews, but when your first impression is a weird AI answer with outdated info, the trust slips even further. We're not just changing how we search, we're changing who we trust to answer. Google didn't just build the world's most powerful search engine, it built the backbone of the modern internet, organizing information, driving traffic, and helping creators and businesses grow. But that success came with a structure. Search results became the place where attention was monetized through sponsored links, affiliate content, and promoted placements. That model worked brilliantly when users wanted a list of options, but AI flips the script. Tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity don't show you information, they deliver it. One question, one direct answer, no clicks needed. And that's the challenge. If there's no page to land on, no link to click, how does the traditional web economy hold up? It's not that AI is against Google, it's that the formats don't align. Google is experimenting with AI-powered summaries and integrations, but it's walking a tightrope. Keep users happy without cutting off the revenue that keeps the ecosystem alive. That's not evil, it's just complicated. What happens next? We're moving into the age of answer engines. You won't scroll through 10 articles, you'll get a clear, instant response tailored to you. Some of us may stop searching altogether. Instead, we'll start relying on personal AI agents, tools that know your preferences, your learning style, even your goals. Imagine asking not, "What's the best laptop?" but What's the best laptop for editing videos under $1,500? And that fits in my travel bag. And getting an answer that doesn't just match the spec sheet, it matches you. This shift won't kill search engines, but it will redefine them, whether it's Google, OpenAI, Perplexity, or something entirely new. The winners will be the ones who don't just deliver results, they'll deliver understanding. If you've made it this far, chances are you felt this shift happening too. The tools we use to search, learn, and decide, they're all evolving. And maybe it's not about replacing search. Maybe it's about rethinking what a good answer even looks like. If this hit home for you, check out one of the videos already on the channel and something that builds on what you just watched. And hey, if you've already changed the way you search, drop a comment and tell me what's working for you. I'd genuinely love to hear it.